Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do, okay? Thank you. Sharing is caring. I really appreciate all the nice comments and the fact that you like the videos and you subscribe to the CoinsKid here. So it's amazing. So right now, XRP, look at that. It rolled out of that ascending triangle, didn't it, that we've been targeting for the W bottom pattern. Rolled out of it and it came down. It's held support this trend line right now, so we are looking for another W bottom pattern, but this is what we've got to look for, some kind of reversal pattern. So you can see we've got the EMAs hitting our head at the moment, so this will create some kind of decision, because you've got the 20, I do apologize, you've got this yellow line, this blue line. I'm a bit confused today. You've got this blue line coming down and the yellow line coming down, okay, which is the 4-hourly EMAs. Now if you continue to hit your head on them as resistance and hold this trend line as support, you can see effectively you start to create some kind of W bottom pattern, high lows, ascending triangle, just like you did here. Okay, you broke out, ran into that 55 resistance, rolled back, holding the support of this trend line, multi-month trend line of a horizontal. So you've got some kind of break here that's going to come over the next few days, okay, for XRP. Equally, like I said to you, we've got the pump moon on the daily time frame, which comes tomorrow. It sounds really silly, I know it does, but you know, effectively, like I said, we have always seen a bit of upside, haven't we? We went through this yesterday on this pump moon. You do start to see some kind of bottom out pattern on the pump moon, and then a pickup. Look at that bottom out pattern, double bottom, see you later. You had some kind of V-shaped recovery on this one. Look, you came down in the pump moon halfway, boom, and then you picked up and you actually went higher than you opened. Do you understand that? So you started out here and you ended up here higher, basically, and that's what you do tend to do on these pump moons. And right now, today, I think is a pump moon, and look, we're getting a nice green candle. You know, it's quite a nice candle today off a key level of support. So it's not rocket science, and it can be as simple as moon phases. It sounds absolutely ridiculous, doesn't it? I never ever would have thought that I was looking at moon phases, and I owe all this moon phase business to the late adopter. I'd never even a look at the moon phases, so the late adopter is the only reason why I look at moon phases, you know. So yeah, let's keep an eye on this. Right now we need to form a bottom pattern, a W bottom pattern, and we've got the moon phase, the pump moon that's kicking into gear today. I think it is. I was wrong, it wasn't yesterday, it was today. I do apologise. And we're forming a beautiful little candle. So if we can hold this key level support right here, look, we're coming to the apex, get the break, see you later, okay, and we're gone, you know, and all that sort of, basically that patience for everyone involved in XRP might come fruitful, because you can see when we do come really close to these apexes. Look, we came here, retested the bottom down here. Look, another pump moon. Look at that, a beautiful bottom pattern like that. Got back above the EMAs, came back support, boom, see you later. I mean, look at that, all the way up there. It ended on that dump moon, but this dump moon had no effect. It actually carried on. Okay, it went through the dump moon and put in that new high. So are we on the cusp of doing exactly the same thing here for XRP? You know, come this pump moon in this apex, break out, come back up, the dump moon will have no effect, and we're just going to take off here for XRP, because at the end of the day you can see what it's doing. Okay, it's come up, you're coming into a horizontal like this. Yeah, you've had a little bit of a fake out, you're coming back into it, and you're so close here to some kind of break for XRP, aren't you? So it didn't quite come down to $1, and that's unfortunate. I think it actually wicked down, because I did say put some cheeky bids in at $1, didn't I? And it's not actually come all the way down to $1. You had the wick all the way down there. Let's go on that candle like that. It shows you the low was 1.01569. So I didn't get no bids filled at $1. I just wrote $1 out in the Binance there. What an idiot, you know. I could shoot myself, because it's actually bounced off that at 101, and from there right now, you know, if I'd have just not been as greedy, it could be around about 4.8% in my long, you know. I'm an idiot. So anyway, that's an example of why, you know, I'll say to you, put some bids in down here. Just always put them a little bit higher if that's what you're doing anyway. And again, nothing I say is financial advice. Everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please remember that, okay? So I missed out on $1 down here because I was a bit greedy, thinking it'd come down to $1, but it could do. It may still roll and come all the way down. And like I said to you, I've got key levels of support here for XRP. If you want to see a further dump in the market and a roll, but you are relatively bullish. You've come up here, you've made a high, you've come down, and at the minute you can see you are making these higher highs and higher lows. So you are conforming just here to some kind of uptrend. You know, you could even look at it as some kind of channel, you know, and you've got some kind of channel that you're sort of coming up and down on, you know, until you start to break out this level of resistance just there, this upper channel like that, boom, boom, boom. That's when you do start to go parabolic here for XRP moving forward. So yeah, you have got some kind of break that is coming. I'm sure I've just shown you here on the price action. We've got a low and a higher low, and then the RSI, we've got a slight hidden bullish divergence just there, where we've got a low and a lower low just there. Slight one. Do you see that? So you have got a slight hidden bullish divergence just there, which is where you've got a lovely little bounce, come back up. You know, if we can break out these levels of resistance just here and start to form some beautiful reversal pattern on the pump moon, wow, we could have been for fireworks coming next week for XRP here moving forward. So that's basically XRP. It's doing everything it needs to for continuation of the trend, okay? Hope you enjoyed that quick little update for you today. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for support. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.